In this video, I'll show you how to maximize the speed of testing with the XTR2 while still producing a professional digitized report to share with your clients. Let's start by creating a new job and entering the site address. Every interaction with the app builds towards your final report. You can choose how detailed or brief this report will be by adjusting the time you spend on information input. The report provides proof of testing for both your clients and your office records. Next, select your panel type. Here I'm choosing an addressable panel and logging the panel time. To complete this job quickly, I'll close the app and proceed with testing. With the XTR2 hardware, I can test multiple assets across the site without needing to keep the app open. Here I'll use a dummy detector to demonstrate testing multiple devices. The DT Connect app gives you flexibility. Some users prefer to input asset details during testing, while others choose to handle paperwork at the end. You can work at the pace which suits you best. After testing, if you want a more detailed report, you can reopen the app and add asset details like location, loop, address, and zone for each detector. But if speed is your priority, keep these steps brief and return to asset details later. Once testing is complete, reopen the DT Connect app and review your tests. Tap Finish Walk when your testing is complete. For adjustable panels, we have the option to reconcile our tests against the panel, but for essence of speed, we'll skip this step. In the job summary, you have a chance to enter notes about your testing before going ahead and collecting a signature from the client. Once your job is completed, DT Connect will generate a fully digital, professional PDF report that can be instantly shared with your client, saving time on manual paperwork. Let's go ahead and review the PDF report sent to our email address. With XTR2 and DT Connect app, you can match the speed of traditional testing methods while upgrading to a professional, paperless workflow. Choose the process that fits your needs, whether that's entering the details as you go or completing paperwork at the end. The power and flexibility are in your hands.